Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And before starting the video, let me tell you something. We are right now at a pretty messed up situation for COVID. So please take all the necessary precautions. Use hand sanitizers and please be responsible. Okay, now let's get back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a RGB pocket light from Digitek. So here it is, Digitek portable RGB LED light. And in the box it comes with a USB-C charging cable, a small cold shoe mount. With this you can attach the light on top of your camera. Then we have the manual, and here we have the main thing, the light. So this light is fully metal built. It's cold to touch and it feels sturdy enough. And in front we have a frosted cover which makes the light softer. In the bottom and on the left side we have two 1/4 inch threads for mounting. Then we have one full-size USB port for reverse charging, and we have a USB-C for charging the light. On the top we have the power button. On the right side we have all the controls. Like this is for changing modes. This one is select within the modes, and this is for brightness. Also, it has a small display in the back, so it's really easy to see all the settings I'm using right now. Like I'm at RGB mode, hue at 1, saturation at 100%, brightness at 10%. But even this is not the best thing. But the best thing is it calculates the battery percentage with your light setting, and it shows you how much time it will stay on. So that's a really cool feature to have. By the way, do you know what else will be cool? If you can just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in this video. With a like, with a share, maybe? Okay, so let's get back to the video. So overall, this light totally worth it. I mean, the size of this light is so small, it's like a phone. While not in use, I just keep it in my pocket and it fits perfectly. But talking about its output, it's awesome. Also, it comes with some pre-built modes as well. Though I don't use these modes very often, but still, it's good to know that we have some options. But I use this light all the time. Like for my product shoot, product videos, YouTube videos. Even I just recently did a portrait shoot at my studio, and for the backlight I used this light. And as you guys can see, it turned out really well. So yes, if you are searching for a small portable RGB LED, I can definitely recommend this one. The light output is really good. Also the size makes it way more versatile to use it in different scenarios. So yeah, it's all for today's video. And if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.